Hello students. In last chapter we have seen our need for water and importance of water in our lives. Now in lesson number 9 we are going to see where does water come from. Children, we all drink water in many sources like glass, by our hands, some steel utensils, bottles, etc. We also store waters in earthen pots, plastic tanks, steel filters, etc. Do you know students from where does this water comes to our home in a tap? By pipelines or by water tankers. They come from distant places like lakes, wells, springs, rivers, dams, etc. From where does all these sources get water from? They get water from rain. When it rains, some water flows over the ground, giving rise to rivulets, streams. Some water collects in low-lying areas and thus lakes are formed. Now we will see how are rivers formed. Rain also falls on high places like mountains. This rainwater flows downhill. Numerous rivulets of water flowing down hills join together to form a river. Now let us see how does a spring is formed. Rainwater seeps into the ground. It seeps deep into the ground through cracks in the soil and rocks. Even under the ground, it flows from a higher level to lower level and thus a spring is formed. Now we will see how are dams formed. A flowing river is sometimes blocked by building a wall. This is called a dam. When it does not rain, the water from the dam can be used. Sometimes rainwater seeps into the ground. To obtain this water, we dig wells. This water can also be taken out by using hand pumps and bore wells. Now let us see some water bodies. Flowing water and stores of water are example of it. Rivers, lakes, reservoirs, creeks, streams, seas, oceans, all these are called water bodies. Some water bodies are formed naturally and some are man-made. Rivers, streams, seas are naturally formed, whereas dams, wells are man-made. If rainfall decreases, the water stored in these places also decreases. You can see such water sources in your locality, taluka or district. Now let us see what are landforms. Landforms are the natural shapes or features of the earth's surface. There are many different types of landforms found on the earth, like mountains, peaks and valleys, hills, hillocks, plateaus, plains, etc. All these are landforms. Let us further learn more in next video. Thank you.